video tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we will discuss inventory module. Now I am in inventory module or inventory app. So first in dashboard, we can see here the inventory overview dashboard, and we have a receipt, delivery note, point of sale orders, and manufacturing. Receipt, it's our warehouse in. Sorry, so let's go to inventory. Receipt, it's a warehouse in. All our warehouse in inside receipts, and warehouse out inside our delivery orders, which we created before in our sales and purchase. We saw these, and point of sale orders. Still we don't start point of sale. We'll discuss about point of sale, and if we discuss about this section when we start point of sale. So here is a manufacturing. Manufacturing is a separate module, and we have to discuss about manufacturing. So in simply manufacturing, like if a company, they are creating a product or they manufacture a product, so until this product under manufacturing procedure, it will show here under manufacturing in inventory overview dashboard. So it's only informational and the overview of our inventory, related sales, purchase, manufacturing, and point of sales. Here point of sale orders will appear. It's an overview of our inventory dashboard. Next, in operations, transfer. All transactions is in warehouse in out is here. You can find from here all your transactions. So in your sales, purchase, inventory in out, each and everything will be here. So let's go back to transfer, and these entries we made. So open this one. 4% desk. This one today we made in our tutorial which we made before in our sale, and this one I think we made today in our purchase. If I create here a transfer, so what is the transfer? Transfer, if I choose here a contact, which we discussed here, these contacts, even we can choose here customer or vendor. Here let's say this we choose, and operation type. What is the operation type of this transfer? It's a receipt, delivery note, a point of sale order, or manufacturing. Let's say it's a delivery note. Sorry, delivery order. And here if any document source, like let's say it's a delivery note, so for example purchase 0001, for example, anything here, the source of the document you have to type here, and after that choose the products. So I'm choosing the product, this one, and another reserved demand, for example 10, here 10, and reserved and done. It will be verified from our warehouse in out. So in actual, the warehouse in and out, it will happen, mean the location will be changed from one location to another location, which we choose in our products. Here the location which I told before, it's very important to change the location from one warehouse to another warehouse. The position will be changed, or the stock will be moved from one warehouse to another warehouse, or one location to another location. So it's a transfer voucher or inventory transfer. If I go here under our products and let's create one inside inventory, we're talking about this production location and inventory location. This location will be changed, means it will go from one location to another location. There is a virtual location. So it's very easy and simple about transfers operation of inventory. Replenishment, in next tutorial we'll discuss about replenishment. It's very important and very we can say it's a good feature of Odoo 14.